So hello friends, welcome to my channel and coaching center. So I'm going to explain your 11th standard business study second chapter forms of business organization. So here they may ask some MCQ questions. Let us see. So the structure in which there is separation of ownership and management is called as the company, and the Karta in joint Hindu family business has unlimited liability, and in cooperative society the principle followed is one man one vote, and the board of directors of a joint stock company is elected by shareholders, and the maximum number of partners allowed in the business are only 10, and the profit do not have to be shared. This statement refers to the sole proprietorship, means only solo, so a single person who is running the company, and the capital of a company is divided into number of parts, each one of which are called share, and the head of the joint Hindu family business is called Karta, and provision of residential accommodation to the members at reasonable rate is the objective of housing cooperative, and a partner whose association with the firm is unknown to the general public is called secret partner. And for which of the following types of business do you think a solo proprietorship form of organization would be more suitable? So for grocery store, medical store, and craft center and internet cafe needs the solo proprietorship. And for which of the following types of business do you think a partnership form of organization would be more suitable is legal, consultancy, and chartered accountancy. Let us know about the first is the perpetual cessation. So it is a company being a creator of the law can be brought to an end only by law, and it will only case to exist when a specific procedure for its closure called winding up. Next, common seal. So as company is an artificial person, it cannot sign any document. Hence, it uses common seal in place of signature. And Kartha is the eldest member of the family and has unlimited liabilities along with the absolute decision-making power. Is an artificial person. A person company is an artificial person, but its rights, liability, and functions are called as the natural person. Next, let us compare to the status of a minor in a joint Hindu family business with that in the partnership form. So, joint Hindu family business is main minor child becomes its member right after his birth in the family, and the minor enjoys an equal ownership right over the inherited property as the other member of the family. While in the case of partnership, a minor can be admitted as a member only after the movement of all other partners, and that too only for benefits, but he cannot be asked to either contribute capital or bear the losses, he cannot say. And a minor after attaining the age of 18 years, he can join. Next, if registration is optical, why do partnership firms willing go through these legal formalities and get themselves registered? The reasons are the partners of a non-registered firm cannot file a suit against third party, and the firm cannot file a case against any of its partners, and a non-registered partnership firm cannot enforce its claims against the third party in a court it cannot file. Let us know about the improvement privilege available to a private company. A private company can be formed by only 2 members, whereas 7 people are needed for the public company. There is no need to issue of prospectus, as public is not invited to subscribe to the shares of the private company, and allotment of share can be done without receiving the minimum subscription. And a private company needs to have only 2 directors as against the minimum of 3 directors in the case of the public company. So let's what hmm?
What supply door?
Hmm. How does How does a cooperative society exemplify democratic and secularism? So, in a cooperative society, one person has one vote, irrespective of number of shares held by them. This means that then all the members have equal voting right. Hence, there is a complete democratic setup in the management. But the membership of a company is open and not restricted, and there is no discrimination among the members on the basis of their religion, caste, or sex. Therefore, a cooperative society exemplifies a secularist system. Next, what is let us know about the partner of estoppel? So, a person is considered as a partner of estoppel if through he is or her own initiative, conduct, or behavior, she gives an impression to others that she is a partner of the firm they are working for the company. If they give like that. So the next question is here for long answer mark question they can ask. What do you understand by the sole proprietorship form? And let us explain the merits and limitations. So sole proprietorship refers to a form of business organization which is owned, managed, and controlled by an individual who is the recipient of all profits and bears of all risk. He bears all the risks, and also sole proprietorship forms are merit or quick decision making, so the soul enjoys considerable degree of freedom in making business decisions and easy of formation and closure. There are hardly any legal formalities to be fulfilled for setting up a sole proprietorship firm, and sense of accomplishment. There is a personal satisfaction involved in working for oneself, and this also instills in the individual a sense of accomplishment and confidence in one's ability. And direct incident, a sole proprietor is a single recipient of all the profit and gains earned in the business. Next, limitations of sole proprietorship form are limited resources. Resources of the sole proprietor are limited to his or her personal savings and limited life of a business concern. So, in the eyes of law, two proprietorship and the owner are considered one and the same. Next, unlimited liabilities. If business fails, the creditors can recover their dues not merely from the business assets. Limited management. So, a sole proprietor manages all the core function they manages. So, okay friends, this was your chapter, the business organization, forms of business organization. So I will explain the other topics of this chapter in my next video. So till here you understand anything. So like the video, comment on my video, and subscribe my channel and coaching center for more video. I will explain the other topics of this.